Okay, scenario 1 is with John, and this is part 1. Hey John, just calling to make sure you've been informed to not consume food, alcohol, caffeine, or tobacco within 3 hours of your treadmill test. I'm asking you to submit a list of any medications, including your dosage and your frequency, and you need to make sure to rest up and hydrate thoroughly starting the day before your test, and also make sure you know to come dressed appropriately for the workout, which could mean athletic wear like shorts, a t-shirt, and tennis shoes. Okay, thanks. See you when you get here. Bye. Okay, so now John's here. John, so I'm just going to let you know that this is a consensual test, so if you feel the need to pull out at any point, feel free to do so. Make sure that you've taken the PAR-Q test. You'll be participating in the Balkan Ware treadmill exercise test, and this is a cardiovascular endurance test that you will take on the treadmill. Since this test is done on a treadmill, it will allow you to maneuver the speed and incline of the treadmill and will help affect the work being done. Every minute that you're on it, the incline will be increased in increments until it reaches max incline, then the speed will be increased in increments. Okay, John, so here we are. I've already compiled all of your paperwork to be able to just look at what's going on during your test. I'm going to try the treadmill to make sure that it is working properly. Give me just 1 second. Also, I'm going to change the temperature to be at a comfortable temperature for the most optimal results. Okay, John, everything's done and everything looks like it's working okay. So if you would just take a step up on the treadmill, and I'm going to set the initial speed at 3.3 miles per hour and an incline at 0%. I'm just going to let you know that every minute the incline will be increased 1%, except after the first minute it will be increased by 2%. But this is only after the first minute. Once the incline reaches max, then every minute the speed will be increased by 0.2 miles per hour. During the test, your heart rate will be measured every minute along with your RPE, which is your rating of perceived exertion. Both of these factors are in place to help monitor your health and safety throughout the duration of the test. So if you need anything while this is happening, or if you don't feel comfortable, just let me know. Some general stop indicators that I should let you know about are angina, rise in your BP, cramps and shortness of breath, poor perfusion, no increase in HR, change in heart rhythm. If you ask to stop, that's a general stop indicator. Noticeable fatigue and equipment failure. So let's go ahead and get this going. If you need anything, let me know, okay? I'll be watching you the entire time and just checking off stuff on the list, alright? Okay, part 2 of scenario 1. Alright, John, so I have tallied everything up and the test is over. You lasted 11 minutes. And with that and everything else, I was able to plug that into our VO2 max equation, and it seemed to be that your VO2 max was 30.8. So that means that you're in the fair range, but you're close to being in the poor threshold, because anything below 30.7 is considered poor. You're currently not in the greatest of cardiovascular shape because of your VO2 max, but the bulk treadmill test is a smart option because it's safer for you, because it is just a better option for people with a lower cardiovascular endurance like you, in comparison with maximal tests like the 1.5 mile run. Okay? Thank you.